Welcome to qnawire.
All right. So in this problem, we have only the capacitor, and we already know about the source, which is 170 volts, and the frequency is 60 hertz, and the current amplitude is 0.85 amperes through the capacitor. So we want to find out the capacitance. So the reactance of the capacitor is chi c equal to 1 over omega c. And then the current will be equal to this 170 volts, which is the amplitude, and divide by chi c. So equivalently, we can write it as 170 times omega c. So equal to 0.85 amperes. And we already know the omega, which is 60 hertz. So omega is the angular frequency, equal to 2 pi times f. F is the 60 hertz. So we can solve for C, equal to 9.95 times 10 to the negative 6 Faradays.